All right. Special day, especially after the podcast I did last week and said that I wouldn't be getting one of these. And yeah, we've already established I have a problem. Yeah, so here is the Microsoft Surface Duo. There's been a lot of unboxing and hot takes on this. I did a lot of research before I pulled the trigger on this. There's some stuff that I am concerned about, software bugginess and stuff like that. I do have 30 days to test this device. I did purchase it with my own money through AT&T. I've got 30 days to figure out if I want to keep it or if I want to send it back and just take a $30 restocking fee hit. So I'm going to spend the next 30 days with it, use it, not quite abuse it, but definitely put it through its paces. I'm going to be swapping it out as my main daily driver from my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So let's get this on the road. And if you see me struggling and moving, jockeying for position, I've got a microphone and then the GoPro that is actually doing the unboxing somewhere. Well, that would be why I couldn't find that little tab that I've seen. Apparently AT&T covered it with their sticker. So, right. It's actually on there pretty good. And here it is. This is the bit I care about. I'm not going to bother teasing you with the rest of the stuff. Of course, SIM ejection tools in there and charger, warranty information. I want to know about this. I've been seeing everybody say what an amazing feel it has. And I want to see that firsthand. Wow. Oh, that is so cool. So just it closes so soft. Of course, power button, volume rockers, fingerprint reader, SIM card slot, USB-C, and that's it. There's no headphone jack or anything else, no near field communication. But I have a smartwatch. I don't need an NFC on my phone. The only real thing I'm bummed out about is I've gotten really used to having wireless charging on most of my stuff, and this doesn't have it. That's going to take a little bit of getting used to, but I'm not that concerned about it. So, yeah, let's do that thing that I've seen done. Oh, it's just so nice. Come on. There we go. I was probably pressing the power button for way longer than I needed to, because I can't see the left screen with where my microphone's at. Okay, looks like setup is taking place, so I know there's a pretty big update. We will catch back up after the update and after I get the initial setup done, just to see where it's at. So we're back, or I'm back. Maybe you're back, maybe you left. Of course, in editing, that was only a few seconds. So I am back about 20 minutes later with the Surface Duo. It did take a little bit of time to do the update, which I did talk a little bit about on the website. It was a pretty major update. I was kind of disappointed that most of the reviewers that had this device early didn't go back and kind of say whether or not this update was effective. A lot of the smaller reviewers, kind of like my size and maybe a little above, have gone back and said that the stability is greatly increased. So, yeah, I've only spent a couple minutes kind of faffing about getting email accounts set up and making sure apps are getting transferred over. But yeah, it's pretty impressive. It runs quickly enough, and yeah, having the kind of dual screen thing going on, it's just kind of great because you can web browse and jot notes. That's going to be pretty nice for me. That way I can, be looking at different articles, different things coming out, and can kind of create some of my articles and yeah, do some research, get some things done. And yeah, the gestures are working flawless for me. I know a lot of people have said that they've had issues with some of the gestures. I haven't yet. That could change. If it does, I'll definitely kind of let you guys know that. I'm going to do a 1 week in review with it. So this time next week, it's Monday when I'm shooting this. It's probably going to be Tuesday or Wednesday before I edit it and post this up. Maybe sooner, but I'll sit down and do some more recording. Honestly, probably Sunday this week, so that I have a little more time to be settled in my thoughts, rather than right after work, right after dinner, going, "Oh my God, I want to open it up. I want to play with it. Why can't I play with it yet? Oh, right, I need to do an unboxing review or unboxing video." So, yeah, I'm excited to play with this more. I will be putting the bumpers on it just because I do tend to be a little hard on phones, and at least until I get a D-brand skin on it, if I decide that I am for sure going to keep it, I'll put the bumpers on it because some protection is better than no protection. And yeah, so I think that's it. That's it for now. Guys, have a great day.